Hello icons, welcome back to Unit of Inquiry class. Let's start with a recap of what we learned in the last class. We have seen about two different forms of energies, that is potential energy and kinetic energy in the last class. Today we are going to learn about some more forms of energies which we use on a daily basis. Let's see a few of them today and talk about them. Firstly, solar energy. Solar energy is the energy which is obtained from the sun. And solar energy is one of the important natural sources of other energies. Can you guess what kind of energy we get from solar energy? We get light energy and heat energy. Sunlight is the main source or cause behind the light energy as well as heat energy that we get daily. Let's talk about light energy now. Light is a kind of kinetic energy which travels in a straight line. And you know, light helps to see things around us, right? Without light, we wouldn't be able to see anything. Yeah, we have many other sources of light too, right? Like bulbs, fire torches, candles, torch lights, etc. And all these give out light. I hope you could make connections with what we learned about light under Big Idea 2. We learned that all the luminous objects give out light, right? And this light emitted from them is a form of energy, that is light energy. And you all know that sun is a natural source of light. We also learned that plants prepare their own food with the help of this light energy obtained from the sun. We as well as animals are dependent on this food from plants. We learned how energy is being transferred from sun to plants to animals and to us, right? So, light energy from the sun is also a source or a cause for the food we get. Okay, that was about light energy. Now, let's talk about another form of energy. Let's talk about heat energy now. Heat is the energy caused due to quick movement of atoms or molecules in any substance. Faster the atoms and molecules move, higher is the temperature. So heat is also a form of kinetic energy as it is caused due to movement of atoms and molecules in any substance. Heat can be transferred from one object to another. Heat energy is transferred through all the three states of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases, and transferred also through waves. Let's see a few examples to understand how heat energy is transferred. Think that mom is cooking something with the help of a stove. When a pan is put on the stove which is lit, what happens? The heat from the stove transfers to the pan, right? And then the pan gets heated up. Then this heat from the pan is transferred to the food present in the pan, which helps to cook the food, right? So, the heat from the stove which is lit has been transferred to the pan and then to the food present inside the pan, right? Similarly, when an iron box is turned on, it becomes hot, right? The heat from the iron box transfers to the clothes we want to press, which can remove wrinkles or creases from our clothes, right? And if you have ever touched iron clothes immediately after ironing, you might have observed that the clothes are hot, right? So, the heat from the iron box has transferred to the clothes that were ironed. Yes? Yes. So, heat can transfer from one object to another object. And as you all know, sun is also a natural source of heat energy. We feel warmth or heat because of sun's light, right? So, sun's light also causes heat. There are many other sources of heat energy apart from the sun's heat that we get, like natural gas, coal, oil, petrol, wood, etc. These are some sources which give us heat energy apart from sun's heat. Okay. So far you have learnt about three forms of energies: solar energy, light energy, and heat energy, right? We will learn about a few more forms of energies in the next class. Would you like to inquire about some form of energy? Yes? I know you are all good inquirers. So, your task is to inquire about some form of energy of your choice. Okay? Inquire about some form of energy and make a note about it in your UI journal. That's all for today, Econs. Let's learn a few more new things about energy in the next class. Until then, bye.